In this video, we are going to discuss about how the agriculture drones are used in various agrarian regions in terms of economy aspects. Now let us discuss the various aspects that need attention. So the first one is going to be the reduction in farm worker requirements, and next there is reduction in time needed for the specific size. The cost is reduced. The savings due to rapid of aerial imagery is actually done. The reduction in cost of assessment for what fertilizer needs to be used, it is actually done over here, and the plant protection chemicals is reduced, and the efficiency of agronomic procedures are actually enhanced, and overall there is an increase in attributable to the drones. So the data is being accurate in terms of drone models and their cost of fuel, their fuel efficiency, what types of sensors is used for their maintenance, repair and replacement, the cost incurred in software for obtaining the images, and the cost of technicians who is going to fly the drone, and the cost on software experts to capture the images, which is will be actually useful for the farmers, and the cost of variable rate applicators, and the cost included in garage where the drone is going to be a larger model for placing it. We saw about the data. Now let us discuss about the advantages by using the drones. So when drones are used, there is reduction in farm labor cost for taking the images and preparing the maps for the same. And the as usual, the fertilizers are requirements of fertilizers are reduced, and the elimination of cost due to the farm workers is actually done with the help of this. And last one is going to be the avoidance of cost on health and efficiency of the farm workers. As the drones are used, we are not worried about the farmers who are not going to return to the farms for the work.